Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's a very special day because we are finally going to Japan. By the way guys, yung kinuha pala naming flight is with Jetstar Japan. So, umalis kami ng Manila ng 12:40 a.m. And yung arrival ng flight na to is 6:10 a.m. sa Narita International Airport, which is in Terminal 3. So far so good. It was actually our first time flying with Jetstar Japan. Very smooth lang yung flight at nakatulog kami the entire flight. So, make sure pala guys na meron na kayong QR code from Visit Japan website para mas mabilis yung pag-process ninyo sa immigration tsaka sa customs. So, we are now here at the arrivals area. Currently, nandito pa kami sa Terminal 3 at kinailangan naming mag-restroom. So, now, we need to take the free shuttle bus going to Terminal 2. So it was just a 5-minute bus ride from Terminal 3 to Terminal 2. If you prefer to walk, pwede naman, provided na wala kayong masyadong dala. So we're finally here in Terminal 2. So una natin gagawin guys is kukunin muna natin yung wifi. Tapos mag-withdraw tayo ng money from the ATM. And then after that, punta na tayo sa Keisei Skyliner. So medyo nawawala pa kami dito. So dito na namin nagamit ang aming sumimasen kasi nawawala na po kami. So meron sila itong information desk. We got our Wi-Fi from J Wi-Fi Mobile. Okay, so after we got our Wi-Fi, pumunta na kami sa Keisei Skyliner. So on the way there guys, meron doon 7 bank na pwede kayong mag-withdraw. So, dito nag-withdraw na kami ng Japanese yen and we heard that 7 bank offers good exchange rates. Finally, nandito na tayo sa my Keisei Skyliner. So, we already got our Wi-Fi. Nakapag-withdraw na rin tayo. So, next is, bibili tayo ng Suica cards. So, yung mga Suica cards, they can be purchased here sa mga vending machines. So, it's also available in English. So, hindi kayo mahihirapan bumili ng mga Suica cards ninyo. So, of course, here we selected English.
Please select the desired charge amount. Please insert money for credit card.
Hi guys, ayan. Asa na yun sa'yo? Ayan, Skyliner ticket.
Okay, so we already got our Skyliner tickets and of course we need to go to the platform. So left lang siya, platform 1. So pagkatapos pala namin bumili ng Suica cards, bumili na rin kami ng Skyliner tickets namin.
Yung Suica. Doon tayo babe kasi car number 7.
So make sure guys na i-double check ninyo kung ano yung car number and then yung seat number ninyo dun sa na-purchase ninyo na Skyliner ticket. So ngayon punta na tayo dun sa car number natin and then antayin na lang natin yung train.
This train is the Keisei Skyliner. Passengers will need a Skyliner ticket in order to board.
So the train arrived on time and we are ready to board. Now the train ticket costs 929 pesos per person and this is the fastest way to get from Narita Airport to Ueno Station. So actually guys, itong Keisei Skyliner, this is one of the fastest and most convenient way to travel from Narita Airport to Ueno Station in Tokyo. So in just 41 minutes, nandun na tayo sa Tokyo. Actually, one of the best things about this ride is that it's super smooth mabilis. Kaya kung gusto niyo yung mabilis na trip from the airport to Tokyo, this is definitely one of the best options. Worth it naman yung experience dito with Keisei Skyliner. We really enjoyed the ride and also the views. Actually, we're here for the autumn season. So, meron dalawang stops si Keisei Skyliner. So, one is in Nippuri Station and then the last stop is in Ueno Station. Finally, we're here in Ueno. And pag sumasakay pala kayo ng escalator, guys, make sure that you're staying in the left side kasi yung right side para yun dun sa mga nagmamadali. So from here, guys, madali na lang mag-transfer to other train lines and kailangan lang namin pumunta dun sa Yamanote line, the green line, kasi yung hotel namin is nasa Sugamo Station. So yes, we're finally here in Ueno Station. So, maganda talaga na meron na tayong Wi-Fi. So, we can now use Google Maps. So, hanapin na lang natin yung JR Yamanote line, which is the green line, kasi papunta na tayo ng Sugamo Station. So, pagkatawid nyo dun, guys, sa pedestrian, nandito lang siya sa left side. So, pasok kayo dun sa ATM Mall nila. So, dito tayo ngayon sasakay ng JR Yamanote line going to Sugamo Station. So, ito yung typical train map sa Japan and as you can see, ang daming lines. Pero don't worry, kasi ang maganda sa Japan, lahat ng train lines nila super organized at madali lang intindihin. So, kunwari kapag nandito na kayo sa station, laging i-check nyo kung anong direction or line ang hinahanap ninyo. So, kailangan nating mahanap yung JR Yamanote line. So, may mga signs na makikita natin sa platforms na nakalabel, kunwari Sugamo or Shinjuku. So, kailangan lang nating i-follow yung mga signs. And take note, ang mga stations dito sa Japan super well marked, so hindi talaga kayo maliligaw. So finally guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Sugamo Station and sobrang bilis. So it's just one train ride from Ueno Station going to Sugamo Station. So pinili namin tong area na to, Sugamo, because this is less crowded compared to Shinjuku or Shibuya area. So we actually stayed at Appa Hotel, Sugamo. So guys, we have a separate video for the Appa Hotel review, so make sure to watch the video. I'll just add the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and that ends our day 1. See you in our next vlog.